VoxMundo. English story time, especially slow and clear English for beginners. Original story. The Little Café in the Clouds. Hello, and welcome to another video from VoxMundo. Today we will listen to a story in English. The story will be told slowly and clearly, so you can understand and learn new words and sentences. This is a great way to improve your listening skills and enjoy the beauty of the English language. Are you ready? Let's begin. Once upon a time, in a very quiet and small village, there was a special place. It was not a school, not a library, not a shop. It was a little cafe, but this cafe was different. It was not on the ground. It was up in the clouds. Yes, the little cafe was floating in the sky. People called it Cloud Cup Cafe. How do you get there? Not by car, not by boat, not even by plane. To visit Cloud Cup Cafe, you had to believe. Just believe, and a silver ladder would appear near you. The ladder would take you all the way up through the clouds to the little cafe in the sky. Only people with kind hearts could see the ladder, and only people who loved peace and stories could enter the cafe. Inside the cafe, everything was soft. The chairs were like marshmallows. The tables were made of light wood. The floor was warm and soft, like a big blanket. Every day, soft music played in the air. It was never too loud, never too fast. It felt like a hug to your ears. The owner of the cafe was an old woman named Miss Alora. She had white hair and eyes like stars. She moved slowly, but her smile made the whole place shine. She didn't sell coffee for money. No, not at Cloud Cup Cafe. Instead, you had to tell her a story. It could be a real story. It could be a dream. Or it could be something you imagined. After you told your story, Miss Alora would listen carefully. Then she would give you the perfect drink. One day, a young man named Leo found the ladder. Leo was sad. He had just lost his job. He felt tired, confused, and worried about the future. He sat in his small room and said, "I just want a quiet place to think." And suddenly, he saw the silver ladder outside his window. He blinked once, twice. The ladder was still there. He opened the window and slowly climbed. Up, 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 through the sky. And when he reached the top, he saw Cloud Cup Cafe. He opened the door. A soft bell rang. Ding, ding. Miss Alora looked up and smiled. "Welcome," she said. Leo sat down. "I don't know why I'm here," he said. "I feel lost." Miss Alora nodded. "Then tell me a story," she said gently. Leo thought for a moment. Then he began to speak. "When I was a child," he said, "I wanted to build robots. I made small machines with my dad. I wanted to make the world better. But now, I don't build anything. I just sit in front of a computer all day. And I lost that job. 2. Miss Alora listened. She didn't say anything. She just smiled, stood up, and walked behind the counter. She came back with a warm drink. It was blue like the sky, and it smelled like vanilla and hope. Leo took a sip, and then something changed. He saw a memory, a young Leo playing with wires and tiny tools. His dad smiling beside him. He smiled. "You remember now," Miss Alora said. "Your story is not over." Leo felt lighter. He stood up. "Thank you." Miss Alora nodded again. As he walked to the door, she said, "Come back anytime. Your next story is waiting." And just like that, Leo climbed down the ladder. He didn't know what tomorrow would bring, but he felt ready. After that day, more and more people saw the silver ladder. They came with worries, with dreams, with broken hearts, and each one left with something warm inside them. Some say Miss Alora is a dream. Others say the cafe isn't real. But the people who visited, they remember. They remember the soft chairs, the music like hugs, and a drink that made them feel whole. And if one day you feel tired, if you want peace or need to remember your story, look up. Maybe, just maybe, you'll see a silver ladder waiting for you. That's it. It was great being with you. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. VoxMundo is with you.